natin muli sina Ken and Justin, of course, Director Jed Regala. In a few moments, I will be inviting them to join me here sa ating stage area, and I know we'll be having a few Q&A, and I will be hosting the short Q&A session that we'll be having with our friends from the media. But really, sa totoo lang, let me introduce myself first. I am Aki Cadora, and I am a proud 18! At sa totoo lang, nararamdaman ko na this entire film is a love story for everyone in this room. Grabe po ang suporta natin lahat para sa journey ng SB19. Kaya palakpakan po ninyo ang inyong mga sarili. Kayo po na ating mga sponsors, ating mga kasama sa Onesie, ang ating mga nakita na director, sina Direk Lorraine, sina Bene, and everyone really part of this entire journey. Wow, truly, totoo yung sinabi talaga ni Pablo na blood, sweat, and tears na binigay ng SB19 so that they can produce beautiful work, beautifully captured by the amazing Jed Regala and the team. Congratulations once again. Let's give them another round of applause. Director Jed Regala, and if you also have your entire crew here, please stand up. Naisin po namin sila palakpakan. Kasama ang mga people na tumulong sa paggawa nitong documentary na ito. What a roller coaster ride that was. Really, the highs and lows and everything in between. Truly, hands down. And I know you're all itching to tweet and post your reactions. So here is a friendly reminder. The hashtags are Pagtatag na Documentary and Pagtatag Docu Premiere Night. Okay, so hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Iimbitahin na natin ang ating SB19 dito sa ating setup right here, center stage. Once again, iimbitahin natin sina Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, Justin, and Director Jed Regala. And as they're making their way down here, we'd like to thank, of course, Onesie Entertainment, First Light, Direct Jed Regala once again, T6 and Black Star Entertainment, and of course our sponsors and media partners. As we begin, we have a few questions for you, and also we'll take time to take questions from our friends from the media as well. So, we want to know, from the beginning, sino ba ang nag-isip nito? Where did Pagtatag na Documentary idea came about? Sino?
Thankfully, they really invested in, because this is out of nowhere. I believe this is the first na music docu na parang ganitong level. And
yes.
for P-pop, I mean, this is something na, and I really believe na SB19 is P-pop for
yes. Absolutely.
So I'm very proud na to be on this area with them.
Grabe, Direct Jed. Also, this is
definitely I have so much. I have to thank so many people, because a lot of the clips na, especially yung mga really authentic na SB19 na very, at their environment, kuway ni Sayan like yung mga ganong kulitan, and among themselves, even kay Ja, mga shot ni Ja, and even like from the beginning, I was not there talaga, to be honest. So ako onward lang ako from I Want You onwards. And even in the time na there was this issue, I was not there with them. So this whole thing is it cannot happen without, of course, Onesie din, which helps so much. It's really a collaboration. So it's teamwork. Pero I just, watching this actually, medyo emotional ako kasi nakita ko yung growth nila, like parang tatay. Nakita ko yung from before, and then as I was telling still the other day, parang that time na nag-finale na, parang you have your own solo career na, and then from before, you're performing na wala pa, diba? So yung growth talaga doon. And then, that's what basically documentary is about. Point A to point B. And they reach so far na.
Yeah.
And, ayun nga, I mean, it's just, I'm just really thanking, thank God na natapos to. And for all the hard work of everybody na they put to here, ayun nga, I'm just really thankful.
Yes. Grabe. And I just want to say also congratulations again, Direct Jed, and everyone. Kasi
alam nyo, tama po yung sinabi nyo, you can't help but get emotional because kapag masaya sila, nararamdaman mo yung pagod, nararamdaman mo yung anxiety na pinapakita on screen, nararamdaman mo rin yung worries, nararamdaman namin as an audience. So, lalong-lalo na at the end of their journey, on that era, talagang naramdaman rin namin yung saya at yung naging worth it, yung pagod. And honestly, as an 18 watching this, parang yung pagmamahal namin, nadagdagan ng isa pang layer, na parang, kaya we can't also help but feel very emotional because we know na you guys, tinatayo niyo talaga yung bandila ng Pilipinas wherever you go, especially for that tour. And so, speaking of the tour, I want to ask you guys, ano yung pakiramdam na nagtutour kayo, tapos mayroong camera, tapos kina-capture yung mga nagbibihis kayo, yung pinifigure out yung chain na yon, team building, paano yun, ano yung naging experience nun? Kakaiba yun, di ba? Na biglang, ay, may mga cameras tayo dito. And you really have no choice to just show and be honest and be real.
Siguro po, the difference kasi po, usually ginagawa rin po namin yun, pero sa vlog. So we are aware na meron ganyan, we need to interact. Pero siguro po with the team ni Direct Jed, medyo, actually lahat po kami na kakaiba na minsan, meron palang nag-video na hindi namin alam. So, actually, ni-request din po namin talaga yon nung napag-decidean nga po na, okay, may susunod sa inyo, gagawa tayong documentary. Gusto po sana namin yung hindi harap-harapan kinukunan kami. Kasi po, yun nga, hindi kami magiging parang authentic kapag
yes.
Alam namin na, alam niyo po yung magiging conscious kayo pag merong camera. So,
correct.
Kaya natutuwa po kami na dun sa moments na yon, yung ibang moments na kunan, talagang hindi namin alam, may camera pala, nakatago sila sa gilid, ganyan po, and sumusunod lang talaga sila. So, ayun po, very thankful din kami na ganun yung kinalabasan.
Yes. Thank you, Justin. Meron din ba sa inyong nakakita ng moment doon na nagulat kayo? Na, ay, nasama pala yun? Or meron din bang moment na medyo naging challenging for you guys to share? Na napanood nyo dito sa documentary ninyo?
I feel like lahat po, parang hindi nagugulat kami kasi parang, hindi namin maaalala yun ng ganun ka-detailed. Alam mo yun? Kasi ang dami nangyari from pagta-tag tour. And from those, the challenges, marami rin po hindi nakunan, pero marami rin po nakunan. And I feel like yun po yung at least napakita talaga namin yung kung gaano kahirap talaga yung life being an artist, being a touring artist. Hindi siya yung parang iniisip ng iba, pa-perform ka lang,
Yes.
Enjoy ng buhay nyo, ganito lang kayo. It's not like that. Ganito po siya kahirap and mas marami pa yung struggles